Cesario, love you by heart. Pass to begin. Hello, hello. Moving up on the outside now. Material ruler. Miss Delicious long nose soak. Then followed by number 3. That's Rampire Fighter. We have love you by heart. The leader by our link. Hello, hello in second. And in third position is Rampire Fighter. Moving up on the outside port. Long nose soak. Minsan, Miss Delicious. Material ruler running by the release number 4, Just Awesome. Good job. Comes next, Sailor King, Admiral Contender, Exotic Flavor. And second is O Minstrel, and too far behind is Chinoy. We have Love You by Heart by Oralenka. Hello, hello in second, Rampire Fighter. Now moving up to take second, and in fourth now, Long Nose Sock, Just Awesome. Also moving up in between horses. Then comes Material Ruler, paminsan-minsan. Love You by Heart by about 2 lengths. Just Awesome now moving up to take second. Racing in third, Long Nose Sock, Rampire Fighter. Love You by Heart, then on the outside is Just Awesome as they come to the last 150. Love You. And on the outside, second is Just Awesome. Love You by Heart, Just Awesome is on the outside. Love You by Heart, Just Awesome moves up on the outside. It's now Just Awesome. And finally, Just Awesome, Love You by Heart, Admiral Contender, Material Ruler, then comes Long Nose Sock, and Minstrel for your Super 6.
Delikadong Super 6 naman.
Oo nga, delikado